Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do this easy eyeshadow look. If you guys are interested, please stay tuned and let's get started. For all my products, I will be using the 252 Ultimate palette, which is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to go ahead and just put a little bit of tape on my eyes so I can use it as a guide. I will be using the Wet n Wild concealer as a primer for my eyes. I feel like the concealer makes the eyeshadow stick a little bit longer than a regular primer. But you guys can use whichever one you guys feel more comfortable with. I'll be using my favorite brush, which this isn't a regular brush, it's actually a paint brush, but I love it so much. I'll go ahead and use this light brown, and I will be putting it on my crease. You want to pack on the color as pigmented as you want, and you want to go in circle mode. Sorry about the background noise, there's some potatoes boiling, so yeah. I'll be using the lightest brown, and I will be using my favorite blending brush and just dab it a little bit. Now you want to blend in your first brown very lightly. We're just blending out the brown. You can go in circle modes again. Something that I like to do if you don't have enough brushes is grab a rubber band and just tie it around, and you will get like a thinner brush. I'm going in with the darkest brown and applying it on my brush. And once again, I will just apply it on my crease. Now I just took the rubber band off, and I'm using a little bit of brown, just the tip of the brush. I will be blending the color out. I'm going in again with my blending brush and blending out both of the colors. I'll be using a flat brush and my Wet n Wild concealer. I'm using a flat brush, any type, and I'll be going in with this green and just apply it on your eyelids. I'm going to go in with this brush and using my darkest green on my palette and put it on the outer corners of your eyes. I don't think that there's actually much difference, so you guys can skip this step. I'll be using one of my favorite liquid eyeliners that I've been using for years, and this liquid eyeliner is very inexpensive. This is how it looks. Now I will be doing my wing. And go ahead and remove the tape. Using my eyeliner pencil from Wet n Wild Pretty in Mink, I'll be putting it in the bottom. And I'm going to end right here, so I'll just be doing it halfway. And also I'll be putting it on top. I'll be using this angle brush and using the same dark brown that I was using before. And I'll be putting it in the bottom. I will be using this brush, grabbing a little bit of the same brown and blending out the color. This is also a small eyeshadow palette. Someone gave it to me and it has no brand name. And I will be using this color that has no name as well. And I will be placing it to highlight a little bit to make it pop. I will be going in with my silver BSN liquid glitter eyeliner. This is one of my favorite ones. I really recommend it. I got it from the dollar store and it's just $1. I'm basically done with the product and I didn't realize that. They actually last me for a pretty good few weeks, but this is how it should look. I will be placing it right here. It's very important for you guys to wait until the glitter dries out. Otherwise, the glitter could go on top or it could go in the bottom and you don't want that. So yeah, you just want to keep on looking down until the product is dry. So I will be right back using my favorite eyelashes that are from Kiss. It's Paparazzi 03. The eyelash glue that I will be using is from Ardell Eyelash Grip. It's not one of my favorites and I don't recommend it that much. Now I'm going in and applying my eyelashes. So right now I'm just waiting for the glue to dry up, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of mascara and applying it on the top and on the bottom. And I'm sorry about these white things, that's actually eyelash glue. Don't even ask how it got there. And the eyelash glue is by Maybelline Great Lash. So this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and found it a little bit helpful. If you guys liked the video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, or comment down below what are the type of things would you guys like to see. Also, one quick thing, the 252 Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, it's not available anymore. I got it on Amazon a few years back and I can't find it anymore. So in case someone is seeing this video, make sure that it's from Coastal Scents. So this eyeshadow is not available anymore, but it was very inexpensive. Hopefully they put it back in the market. But anyways, thank you so much for watching again, and until next time.